So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the reviews of any product over Amazon or some other shopping site that they are genuine or not. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just first simply copy the link of the product that you want to check. You can copy the link from Amazon, Flipkart, or any other shopping site that you use. Once you copy that link, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps from our smartphones as well. Now here search for review meta. Just simply search it at here you're gonna find this first website that's right there. All you need to do is just simply paste that link, that product link over this website, and it will take some time to analyze and provide you that these reviews are genuine or not, or they are have been generated by system or something else, so you can check the genuine reviews. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.